Hello, my mathematicians. Today we are looking at Module 5, Lesson 1, which is all about using unit cubes to build solid figures. So hopefully by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to build solid figures using unit cubes. So spark your learning. Alexandra is volunteering to stack boxes of soup cans at a community food bank. She stacks the boxes to form the right rectangular prism shown. Make visual models to show 3 other ways that Alexandria can stack the boxes to form right rectangular prisms. Describe your visual models. Well, first, if we look, we need to see how many blocks she's using. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So she has 12 boxes. So we're going to come up with 3 different ways. So right now, what she has is, if we go across 6 by 1, because there's 1 back, by 2. So we want something different than that. Well, if I think about my multiples of, twelve, or my factors of 12. So we did this last week. We've done this before. Factors of 12. We have 1 and 12. We have 2 and 6. And we have 3 and 4. Okay. So she had the 6 by 2, which of course is doable. But let's start here with this first one, 12 by 1. So that would just look 1 block, split, like this. So this is a 1, it's a 12 by 1 by 1. And then, so we have 3 by 4. So that means it's going to be a little tricky to draw. So this way, okay. So this would be a 4 by 1 by 3, because the height's 3. So then we need to come up with one more. Well, we can break apart this 4 here, because to get 4 we can do 2 times 2. So we can do a 3 by 2 by 2. Let's see if I can draw it here. 3D. So we're going to do 3 across and 2 high. And then we're going to go 2 back. Something like that. Maybe 3 by 2, because technically these are all by 1. Oops. That wasn't very even, but make these 3D. Let's say technically our 3D shapes that we're working with. Something like that. Okay. So let's go to the next page. So it says, for a concert, Angela builds platforms using cube-shaped blocks, each with an edge of 1 unit. Except I skipped a page. Hold on. Did I just put it in the wrong order? I did put it. No, I skipped a page. There it is. Okay, sorry. Technical difficulties. Okay, build understanding. Carlos and Kelly are building store displays in the shape of right rectangular prisms using cube-shaped boxes of the same size. So we have Carlos' display and we have Kelly's display. So you can make, if you have unit cubes, you can make visuals to show the two. But we're going to look then about how many cubes are in each visual model. So if we look, we have 2 by 2 by 4. So 2 times 2 is 4 times 4 is 16 cubes. So here we have 4 times 2 times 2, so it's going to be 16 there as well. So we have 16 cubes. Think of the length of the edge of each cube-sized box as 1 unit. What are the dimensions of each display? Well, I kind of just talked about this. So Carlos is going to be 2 units by 2 units by 4 units. And Kelly is going to be 4 units by 2 units by 2 units. So then it says, how many faces and edges does each unit cube have? Well, so faces are like our flat ends here. So each one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. Oh, a unit cube, sorry. It's going to be the same. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. We have 1 for the edge, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we have 10, 11, 12 there. So 12 edges. And if you count, it's the same. So we already said 6 faces. And then we're also going to have 12 edges. And you can look at your model if you built it as well. So how can you place Carlos' display to make it match Kelly's display? Exactly. Well, we would just flip it on its side. And we'll go to the next page. Okay, for a concert, Angela builds platforms using cube-shaped blocks, each with an edge of 1 unit. So use unit cubes to build a visual model of each platform. How many cubes are in each visual model? So again, if you have cubes, go ahead and build them. And then we look at number 1. So 1 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes. And they're unit cubes. 2, we have 4 that we can see, and then there'd be 4 behind it, so 4 unit cubes. And 3, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unit cubes. Or not 4, sorry. There's 4 and 4. So that would be a total of 8. So 3 would be 5 unit cubes, sorry. So which platform has the greatest number of blocks? Well, that would be platform 2. Let's go ahead and look down here. So Aaron builds a store display using cube-shaped boxes. Count the number of unit cubes used to build the solid figures. Number 1, we just look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 unit cubes. And then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and there's 2 rows of that, so that would be 20 unit cubes. So hopefully you can now build solid figures using unit cubes. And remember, in order to be a math person, you just need to do math and be a person.